Onion holder. The JVAR onion holder is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, embodying convenience and versatility in a sleek stainless steel design. Measuring 3.7 inches in length and just 0.6 inches wide, its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into various kitchen setups while remaining easy to handle. Weighing only 0.08 kilograms, 2.82 ounces, it is lightweight yet robust, ensuring durability during use. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the blade of the onion holder features a round shape that aids in achieving precise cuts. This manual operation tool excels in slicing not only onions, but also a variety of vegetables and fruits, making it a multifunctional kitchen assistant. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, significantly reducing the risk of cuts or slips during slicing. One of the standout features of the JVAR onion holder is its dishwasher-safe capability, making post-preparation cleanup a breeze. This practical aspect means that busy cooks can spend less time on chores and more time enjoying their culinary creations. Additionally, the holder's silver hue complements any kitchen aesthetic, adding a modern touch.